Today we'll talk about how can you pay gift voucher on your Asos app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on my account. So when you click on my account, it's going to take you to this list. So then you go down here and you click here on gift cards in vouchers, and it's going to take you to this list. You click here on pay gift voucher here, and you come to this list. And here, can you add recipient's name here or here if you want to look in it for it here for Christmas or birthday or farewell here or wedding or congrats. So here can you choose here, and you click here on personal voucher here, then it's going to show for you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like, subscribe.